To check your grades in Moodle, go to the Grades link at the top. Select the course that you're currently taking, and here you will see the grades for all your assessments for that class. There'll be the assessment name or grade item. There's a column for the raw score. So if it was 78 out of 100, the percentage is still 78. This was 12 out of 15, and it shows as 80%. Next to the grade and the percentage, you'll have feedback from the instructor if feedback was left for you. And you can scroll down to the very bottom to see your course total.